Nagja-jump sila for the food.
Nag-play kayo ni Kuya Jared yesterday? Anong play niyo ni Kuya Jared? What did you play? Diba nagbabay si Mami tsaka si Daddy?
Ano play niya?
Oh, what did you eat?
Did you eat chicken? No. What did you eat?
Iced tea?
Iced tea? You drink iced tea?
Tito, naggawa si Tito na iced tea?
Ice? Did you eat plenty of rice? Apa? Ano?